So for example, commands. So what we can do, so in the Linux, the shell prompt, we are executing the commands, right? The black screen, you are executing the commands. So what are the commands? The commands are available, the commands. So the commands are available in two directories. So here in Windows, we call it as a folder. So in Linux, we call it as a directory. What is that, guys? So in Linux, we call it as a directory. In Windows, we call it as a folder. Guys, now you can, from now onwards, you can, so these all are the directories. Okay. So Linux, if you are creating any folder in the Linux, that is called as a directory. Okay. Yep. So we can run the commands. So we can run the commands in the shell prompt. There are two types of commands will be there. There are two types of commands. So one is in bin directory. The other one is has been directory. Okay. So has been and bin. So what is this, guys? This is a normal user. So this is the root user. Who these are? This is the normal user. Okay. So this is the root user. Who is this, guys? This is the normal user, root user. So root user will execute both bin and sbin commands. Both we can execute both bin and sbin commands. Root user and the normal user will execute only bin command. So normal user execute will only bin command because of root user can do anything. Root user is nothing but a super user. Super user can do anything. But normal user having certain limit of permissions. Normal user having certain limit of permissions, right? That so we can execute only the bin command. So whatever the commands is there in the bin, so that commands will execute by the normal user. Normal use nothing but a hurry. So that Dugga, all these guys. SBin user is the root user. Guys, understood? So this is nothing but a so Linux. So once you start the Linux, right? Once you log into the Linux, I'm exit. So I'm exiting the server. I'm logging as a root user. I'm logging as a root user. What is the IP address, guys? 192.168.56.111. Okay, 111. What is that? Root user, Red Hat, Red Hat. Is understood? Change settings. I want to change the appearance. Change bold 18. Apply. Apply. Okay. Yeah. So now, so we logged in as a root user and password is Red Hat. So once you logged into the server, what this is, guys? This is a shell. So by default, which shell we can get? Echo shell. Sorry. Which shell, guys? Bin bash. What is the shell? Bash shell. So Linux by default, I already told you, right? By default, Linux uses the bash shell. Bash shell is nothing but a born again shell. What is the shell, guys? Bash shell is nothing but a born again shell. Now you understood? Yeah. So what this is called it as a user prompt. What is this? So where you are executing the commands, you are executing the commands in the shell prompt. What this is a bash shell, right? Echo is the print screen. So sorry, dollar shell shell. So which shell we are using? The bash shell. in the bash. This block screen is nothing but a shell, guys. So what is that? So we are getting the only shell. So this is the server. So I am interacting this server through shell only. How you can interact with this server? So you can interact with this server through shell only. What this is, guys? This is a user prompt. In in the putty, no need to copy. No need to copy, guys. If you select right, it will automatically copy. If you select, it will automatically copy. What is that, guys? User prompt. What is that? User prompt. So what is the user prompt? This is the user prompt. What this is root at the rate vbox is nothing but a host name and a twilt and a hash. What these are? So one, what is login name? So login name is a, guys. How you logged in as a login name? Now in login name is root. Second one is so this is the second one. Mission name or server name. What is the mission name or server name? VBox. Mission name or server name? VBox. Third one is Wilt, guys. The symbol call it as a Wilt. Wilt is nothing but a present working directory. So present directory is nothing but a where you are. Where you are. In which directory you are. Okay. So the fourth one is user profile. So user profile hash. If you have the hash privileged mode, hash privileged mode means a root user can execute any command. Okay, so execute any command. Root user can execute any command. Understood, guys? So, for example, hurry at the rate vbox build box dollar. So normal user will get the dollar privilege. Dollar privilege having some certain limit of permissions. Hash privilege having there is no restriction. Hash privilege having there is no restriction. So the dollar privilege is having some set of restriction. Some set of restriction. So guys, so I'm executing the command line interface. How you are interacting with this command, this Linux, guys, through commands only. What is the command? Who am I? What is the command, guys? Who am I? Means who is logged in. Who means how many users are connected. How many users are connected? Guys, understood?
Yes.
Yeah. So we'll execute. Who am I? I am a root user. Who is means how many users are connected. So one is this way putty way, other one is this way. For example, if I execute here, if I exit here, let's see, guys. If you want to come out from this virtual box, that virtual interface virtual box, the right control in the keyboard there is a right control. Press the right control, it will get out of this box. Okay. Now W, you see only one user. How many users are connected? Now only this server, only one user is connected. Only one user is connected. Guys, understood? Yeah.
Yes,
For
sir.
example, guys. Uh, so someone gave the IP address, username, password. Someone gave the IP address, username, password. You logged into the server through putty. Right. You got this root at the rate VBox. This is the user prompt. This block screen is showing. How do you figure out which Linux flavor is installed or which Linux flavor and version of the OS is installed? So what is the command to check which OS is installed? Which OS is installed? What is the command? Cat slash etc red hat hyphen release. So this red hat hyphen release command will work on Red Hat, CentOS, Fedora, Amazon Linux, Oracle Linux. Okay, all these flavors, this Red Hat release will be work. But apart from this, so how we can figure out? For example, so there are an n number of Linux flavors are there, right? There is only one command. It will show the flavor of the OS and the version of the OS. What that command is? This command will work on any Linux machine. Cat slash etc OS hyphen release. What is that, guys? Cat slash etc OS hyphen release. This is nothing but a CentOS and version 7 is installed. So if you use the cat slash etc Red Hat release, so it will be showing only the CentOS release 7.9. Is understood?